Okay, so if you're a video creator who's been trying to use AI, you know the feeling, right? You pour all this energy into a great idea, you feed it to an AI, and what you get back is a script that's, well, let's just say it's completely unusable. Well, today we're going to fix that, for good. Let's dive in and turn your AI from, this kind of clumsy assistant into a legit professional script writing partner.
Does this sound painfully familiar? You get all excited about automating your scripts, and what you get back is stiff, generic, and it has absolutely none of the spark that makes your channel your channel. There are no visual cues, no personality, and you end up spending more time rewriting the darn thing than if you just started from scratch.
And yeah, this is what you get back. Come on. It's got zero personality, no real value for your audience. It's just words. This right here is the classic symptom of a vague, simple prompt that gave the AI absolutely nothing to work with. But here's the good news. It's not the AI's fault.
And that brings us to the most important point, really. Your AI is an incredibly powerful tool, but it can't read your mind. The quality of the script you get out is a direct reflection of the quality of the instructions you put in. It's that simple. A vague prompt? You're going to get a vague script every time. But a detailed plan? That's how you get a masterpiece.
So what this means is we need to totally shift how we think about this. We've got to stop treating a prompt like some simple wish, just tossing "write me a script" into the void. Instead, we need to treat it like a detailed blueprint, like an architect's plan for the exact video we want to build. Every single detail matters, from who you're talking to all the way down to the visual style.
So what does this blueprint actually look like? A proper prompt? It's a full-on brief. It's not just about the words. It's about the visuals for the storyboard, exactly who you're talking to, and even the host's personality. This whole blueprint approach, this is the secret. This is how you get content that's actually production ready right out of the gate.
And you can see the difference so clearly right here. On the left, you've got that vague wish, the one that gives you that robotic script we were just making fun of. But now, look to the right, the detailed blueprint. You see all those pieces? Audience profile, host personality, the structure, storyboard needs. This is how you give the AI the rich context it needs to create something incredible.
Okay, so we get it. We need a blueprint, but how do we actually build one? Let's break down the essential pieces that turn a simple idea into a detailed, actionable plan the AI can actually work with.
Okay, here they are, the 7 pillars of a perfect prompt. Let's run through them. First up, video basics. Simple stuff. What's the title? How long is it? What platform is it for? Second, your audience. And I mean really specific. Who are these people? Third, host personality. Who's the one talking? Are they funny, smart, super energetic? Fourth, the structure. Map out your hook, your main points, and your call to action. Fifth, and this one is so important, storyboard needs. What are we actually seeing on screen? Think B-roll, graphics, animations, spell it out. Sixth, script requirements, things like pacing. Do you want to use questions? Are there specific phrases you need? And last but not least, number 7, visual style. Is it going to be clean and minimal, or maybe super vibrant and fast-paced? Every one of these pillars adds another layer of detail that guides the AI right to what you're picturing in your head.
All right, so you've built this awesome blueprint. What's next? Well, now you got to choose the right tool for the job. Because let's be real, not all AIs are the same. They each have their own strengths, and you can totally use that to your advantage depending on the kind of video you're making. This is your new, way smarter workflow.
And what's cool here is you can see how to match the right AI model to what you're trying to do. So, if you need a script that's super engaging and conversational, GPT-4 is probably your best bet. But if you're making, say, a structured educational tutorial, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is amazing at that kind of logical flow. And for those videos that are just packed with data and facts, Gemini 1.5 Pro is fantastic at weaving in all that research.
Okay, so you've got your blueprint, you've picked your AI. What's the payoff? What's the real ROI here? Because this whole blueprint method, it's not just about getting better scripts. It has a huge real-world impact on your entire workflow. We're talking a serious return on that little bit of time you invest up front.
Just think about it. On average, a creator can easily spend 4, 5, even 6 hours just on the script and storyboard for one video. With a detailed blueprint prompt, you can slash that time. Just gone. And that frees you up to do what you're actually great at: filming, editing, connecting with your community. That's time you can use to brainstorm your next big idea. Or hey, maybe even take a break. You've earned it.
And look, the time savings don't stop at just writing. A great script with all those storyboard details built right in can cut your overall production time by 40 to 60%.
How? Well, there's no confusion on set, your editor knows exactly what they need, and you pretty much eliminate those awful expensive reshoots.
But it's not just about being faster or cheaper. At the end of the day, it's all about quality. This Blueprint prompt doesn't just speed things up, it makes the final video objectively better. And a higher quality script with a clear visual plan leads directly to the holy grail, right? Better viewer retention and way more engagement.
All right, so let's wrap this up with the key takeaways. Number 1, and this is the big one, stop making wishes, start building blueprints. Number 2, use those 7 pillars we talked about to build that blueprint, everything from audience to visual style. Number 3, and don't you forget it, the visuals are everything. Always spec out your storyboard needs. And finally, number 4, be smart about your tools. Match the AI model to what you're trying to create. Get these 4 things down, and you're going to be creating some seriously amazing videos with AI.
So, by mastering the prompt, you've basically just hired a pro script writer that happens to be an AI. That whole script writing bottleneck, it's gone. And now you've got this wide open world of possibilities. So the only question left is, with all this new power and efficiency, what's your next big idea? Go make something incredible.